Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your chosen Google account. This ties calls and messages to one identity. Once signed in, open Google Voice on web or the app so you can pick a number. Select a new Google Voice number or choose to port an existing number. Porting takes extra verification. Make sure notifications and microphone access are enabled now because voice needs them to place and receive calls immediately. Next, handle the middle details. Verify billing and complete two-step verification if you're porting a number, since carriers require proof. Then add forwarding phones so calls ring your devices. Click Add Phone, enter the number, and confirm. Configure voicemail greeting, call screening, and text forwarding to control how people reach you. Once done, test calling your new number to confirm forwarding, voicemail, and message routing behave as expected. Finish by testing both incoming and outgoing calls plus texts so you catch issues early. If a call fails, make sure linked devices are online and app permissions for microphone and notifications are allowed. Sometimes toggling them off and on fixes issues. If you ported a number and it's delayed, contact your previous carrier with the port ID and keep your account active. This prevents release errors. One troubleshooting tip: restart the
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.